News for you from Hartford, where we've learned police found 40 bags of fentanyl inside the Sport and Medical Sciences Academy yesterday.
And unfortunately, we're learning that one student is still in grave condition after overdosing on the drug during the school day. 2 students who were hospitalized after being exposed have been released.
Now, the incident comes as experts say the opioid crisis is getting worse during the pandemic. Overdose deaths are up and fentanyl is to blame. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Sharon Johnson is live tonight with more.
And Sharon, what are experts saying about this entire crisis?
Well, I spoke with recovery coaches who say the opioid crisis has shifted. Fentanyl is making it more difficult to treat people. That's if they survive.
The level of fentanyl that is available in our community right now is devastating.
Experts say the opioid epidemic has reached another crisis level, with the pandemic and fentanyl compounding overdoses.
The stress and turmoil and social isolation secondary to the pandemic is absolutely in part contributing to the very significant rise in overdose and overdose deaths.
Last July through November, the Connecticut Department of Public Health reported 39 cases where marijuana use was reported, but patients exhibited opioid overdose symptoms. The CDC says overdose deaths from 2020 to 2021 increased more than 28% from the year prior, with overdose deaths from fentanyl also increasing. Treatment programs have noticed a shift, including more people relapsing.
What we've seen in the last 3 years is the significant rise from those that were doing heroin to now converting to fentanyl.
And so we have clients coming in now who are using straight fentanyl.
Liberation Programs is a Fairfield County behavioral health organization. It provides treatment programs, health education, and mobile reduction services. The CEO and lead outreach officer say they've been prioritizing harm reduction strategies like supplying the life-saving medicine Narcan.
2022 may not be the year of recovery, as Joanne said, for people, but we want to keep them alive.
Experts and recovery advocates are encouraging people struggling with opioid use disorder and their loved ones to carry Narcan.
The epidemic is so out of control right now that I think that Narcan should be in everyone's house and that people should carry it with them at all times.
Sue Willette is the founder of the Roadway of Hope Connecticut. That's an organization that supports people in recovery and their families.
I just hope people realize that it's a disease, like I said, and we need to start looking at it in a different way.
And if you or a loved one needs assistance, there are resources available. For more information on treatment and recovery, visit our website or the Channel 3 News app. Live in the newsroom, Sharon Johnson, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
A lot of good information there, Sharon. Thank you very much. More